What was the craziest incident at your school? During my graduation year, this new girl joined our school. She was pretty quiet and kept to herself mostly. One day in biology class, we were dissecting frogs. Suddenly she starts screaming and crying. We all thought she was just grossed out or something. But then she grabs her frog and runs out of the classroom. The teacher chased after her, yelling for her to stop. Turns out she'd been raising frogs as pets for years. When she saw the dead frogs, she freaked out, thinking we'd killed her pets somehow. It took an hour to convince her these weren't her frogs. The whole school was talking about it for weeks. She transferred out soon after, but we still call it the Great Frog Escape whenever we talk about crazy school days.